Hello, this is Mr. Torzig with a short but important informational message about our iPad usage at CHS. Let me remind you that the iPads were purchased by our district to afford you a better educational opportunity. They're an educational tool. Our high school philosophy has been to allow you as young adults to be responsible and to manage your iPad for the most part, allowing you to install apps as you see fit, along with those things that teachers request you to use for their courses. This allows you to use it as an educational tool and in the right setting, even as your own device. When that doesn't happen, when people are irresponsible with their usage, it becomes a problem. When it's an individual problem, we'll deal with that individual and the consequences that follow. When it becomes a widespread problem and it starts impacting the use of all of our devices and our educational process as a whole, then we have to start wasting time going through and deleting opportunities to use our iPad. Example, Snapchat. It has no place in the high school. There's no educational purpose for it. We'll do that if we have to, but it's a waste of resources. It's a waste of time when we could be putting our effort and energy towards making our school better. The MDM profiles and other profiles that are installed on your machine are there to make the machine work properly. When they're removed, it doesn't work properly, and it requires Mr. Jocks, Mr. Lucier, all kinds of time and effort to reinstall and get that iPad working properly again. Do not remove the profiles on your machine. If they're removed, we have to reinstall them, which we will, and at that point, because of your irresponsibility, your iPad will be put in iPad jail and locked down, and you will no longer have the opportunity to use it for other purposes. If you uninstall the profiles a second time, we're going to keep your iPad until we can have a conversation with you and your parents about the proper use of devices and about being responsible high school young adults. It's time to be responsible. It's time to use your devices for their intended educational purposes. Thank you.